Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I will be going to this one jump over here, and we're going to be jumping it a few times, get the hang of it on my little bike. We'll probably spend most of the video here because why have a dirt bike when you're always on the street? Oh, there are people there. Yeah, kind of awkward. I'm gonna go, you know? Yeah, I'm not gonna come back here. Oh my god. Time to leave because there was people right there and I do not want to bother them. So remember the part I said most of you are going to be there? Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Man, it feels nice out here. It's like 60 degrees, but still good riding weather. I will be making a video on Christmas, but you guys might get it like after Christmas. But you are gonna see my bike dressed up for Christmas, and it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm still thinking what else I should put on the bike, but I have a really good surprise for you guys. And I will be dressing up too on Christmas. Should we go there? Should we not? Leave a like if I should go down there. And I'll check right now. Alright, you guys left a like, so let's go down there. If I can find the entrance somewhere. I forgot what the entrance was. I think it's like over here somewhere. Ooh, bounce house. Oh, there it is. And bike ties. I have a bad feeling about this, but let's go up. Oh, whoa, there's a bunch of bones. But, oh man, that was fun. Oh, I just went over a hole. Oh, that was scary. I didn't even see that hole. I thought I was going down. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Dang, my bike sounds pretty cool. Alright, time to turn around. Oh my god, that's super loud. Alright, let's go. Oh, water! Ah, oh, that's sewer water. That's nasty. Where is it? It's up here somewhere. Oh, it's right there. See it. Alright. Ow. First impression. And my head on top of the bar. We should be closer friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot. No cars, no go. Take that high road and I'm in. Gotta turn on my little light. I don't know if it's on or not. Yeah, it's on this full brightness. would be really fun is doing these little driveway humps. Man, that's so fun. Man, it's getting dark really fast. Like, really fast. But I also got a text from my dad telling me that I'm gonna have to be coming home soon because I will be making a gingerbread house, and I might have an idea of what I'm gonna make, but I'll post on my Instagram. It'll be down in the description. Oh yeah, I remember there's a jump right here, so I'm gonna go do it. Oh! I really love that thing. Second gear Willie? Let's try it. Oh, fell. Oh, that was scary. Yep. Second gear Willies are a fail. Look at that. Big Christmas ornaments. Big frosty. And big antenna. We're gonna go do that jump again. Because this jump is really fun. Oh my gosh, I got some serious air from that. Alright guys, so I'm going to end today's video here. I'm sorry that it was short, but if you guys like today's video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends and family to support my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.